Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ankita and I welcome you all. Basically in this video I'm gonna show you a Korean classic look which is oftenly referred as clean, elegant and natural glam look, which focuses on flawless skin, dewy skin and soft colors and very natural features, and it looks like fresh and youthful. So here, before applying any makeup on your face, please start preparing your skin, and which I'm doing. I'm starting with a hydrating toner and then applying moisturizer and primer. And if you have oily skin, use a mattifying primer in the T-zone, but keep the cheeks hydrated. And instead of heavy foundation, I would request you to apply any BB cream or CC cream or any light foundations which even out your skin tone. And the goal is to share the coverage and lets your natural texture to show you through your skin. So I'm not here applying very thick foundation or full coverage foundation so that it can completely make you different, and that's why I'm using here most affordable elevating foundation, and then using a small amount of concealer only in the area that needed, under the eyes or over the blemish area, and tap it gently and blend it, and make sure that you are blended lightly, and then apply eyebrows pencil, or here I'm applying eyebrows Hilary Dotas, and make it sure that you are applying it in the straight line, and so that it can go with your glam look. And then apply concealer to make it more visible and make it more fresh, and then yes, apply it on the both the side, and use a dust, or using a duster or any dust. You can use translucent powder under the eyes area or on the T-zone to prevent the shine, and keep the rest your face away from it. And then applying any eyeshadow, I'm taking pink and mauve color eyeshadow, and make sure that you are applying on the inner corner of your eyes and the outer corner of your eyes as well. And then take any eyeshadow which is brown, or which matches your skin color, which is brown color, and then apply it like the way I am applying, to get and achieve the look, circle look on your eye area, and which will be a soft and straight favor look, and which will have the thicker eyebrows, and which will go with this look. And gently feel your eye area which are puffier and which you have drawn the area. And then I'm applying here eyeliner. I'm applying with the same eyebrow pencil I used, and then apply it in the straight line the way I'm applying. If you want wing, you can apply it the same. And yes, here I have applied, and I'm stretching it out by my fingers, by my nails, and then I'm contouring my nose with any eyeshadow, or if you have contour skill, or if you have contour stick with yourself, you can use it for the feathery finish, and it will highlight your nose and it will contour your nose in the greater areas. Use any light brown powder to very subtly sculpt just beneath your nose area or your eyes area, to make it more contour or look, and to achieve the nose which you are looking forward to. And then I have applied all those lines to make it more seamless all over your nose areas. So yes, I am almost done this. You can apply any powder, brown powder, and then I'm setting it off with the Fit Me compact powder all over my areas, upward of your eyes area and the jawline areas as well, to get the good look. Yes, I'm applying light pink and peach color blush all over my cheek area, and it will appeal your cheeks. Blend it slightly upwards toward the temples of your lifting effect. Cream formulas are preferred for maintaining the dewy skin finish. So however, here I'm applying powder blush, and then I'm highlighting my nose area, the nose on the tip of the nose, and the rest highlighter I'm applying on the both side of my nose area to look it more perfect. Apply a subtle and non-glittery highlighter to the tops of your cheekbones and the bridges of the nose, and the cupid's bow which I have applied here, and on the inner corners of both of your eyes. So if you want any other color to highlight, you can do that also. I have my bold white color highlighter, so I have used that. I have tried to look it very natural, and then I'm contouring here my lips to get it more in a prominent shape. If you have lip liner, you can go ahead with that, or you can be a gradient lip, or you can use any tinted lip balm or lip tint to the inner center of your lips. So here I am contouring first my lips, and make it sure, see if you will see it clearly. I have applied in the way I am trying to make it a triangle on the both corner of my lips, so that it can make your lips, if you want to make your mouth look little, you can apply it in the same way that I have applied it. I have applied a light pink color lipstick as well all over my lip area, and then I'm applying little red color in the middle of the lip, and I'm blending it off with my fingertip. And on my cupid bow I have applied some highlighter here, so that it can give you a glowy dewy finish. And press your lips together few times and use a finger or a brush to gently blur the color outward, leaving the edges of your lips softer and lighter the way I have done it. And then I'm applying any lip balm. If you have any lip oil, you can apply that too. I prefer to use SPF 30 or 50 plus lip balm, so I have applied here Himalayan lip balm. You can also apply it, and if you want, you can make it matte and keep it like that. And for eyes, you can curl it off to achieve better result, and I have done so. And here I'm applying Sky Rise mascara from Maybelline, and apply the way I'm applying to make it a thicker line, thicker lashes all together at one time. And here's my final look. So I hope you guys will like this look. I have tried to show you in a very natural way, so that you can achieve it, and this will go with your any dress or any classy dresses which you are wearing and you are going for any dinner or lunch or any outing. This will look great on everyone. So here I have applied very little products to show you the result. We can also apply the same, and we can also achieve those results. Yes, it will surely make you look like, to some extent, the Korean look, and that dewy finish which they have on their face, you can also achieve that. So I hope you guys like my video. Please subscribe to my channel, and let's get meet in the next video. Bye bye, take care.